Hello. I just got this one today from eBay. It's ToGuard 4K UHD dash cam. I bought this one because my 3-year-old dash cam is already dead, and that's only 720p. This one is a dual camera, front and back, or you can turn it around 360 degrees. So this one is the 4K camera, and this one is the 1080p camera. I bought this one because this one has a GPS, which is very important to me, and it's 4K. So this is the specs: 4K and 1080p video. The model number is CE67. It's got built-in GPS, so that's very important to me. It's got loop recording and G sensor lock. So of course it's made in China. And this is the dash cam. Very neat. It's got USB SD card slot, and you can also connect the rear camera if you want. It's got the reset button there and the microphone. At the back you get the screen and all the buttons, and you get the 1080p camera. So we'll test this one and find out whether the quality of the video, the 4K video, is really good or not. So we'll find that out later. Okay, by the way, the accessories included are the power cable with the USB there plug, and the 12-volt plug for the car, and of course the suction cup, and we got some double-sided tape there, and some lever for installing it on the car, some sticker, manual, another USB cable, and some fixed mounting bracket there or whatever, and some double-sided 3M double-sided tape. So that's the accessories included. Let's see how good the quality of the 4K of this one. I'm not sure if this is a real 4K, but it's a good value. I spent around $125 including discounts already. So it's 40 zone, school zone, it's on. So it's only 40. You have to run at 40 here. We go to the Barrowville. This is where the L-plater do their learning. No traffic, just a small suburb at the end of this road.